Assalamualaikum, my name is Minahil and my topic of presentation is how to build multiplication table of ammonia. Molecule of ammonia is shown in diagram and we can see that one nitrogen is attached to three hydrogen atoms by a covalent bond. So to build multiplication table we should know about symmetry elements and operations in ammonia molecule. First is identity which is present in every molecule. Next one is proper rotation and there is C3 rotation found in ammonia, and there is further operation of this symmetry element present in ammonia, that is C3 twice. If we give C3 rotation then hydrogen atoms replace their position. So if we apply C3 twice means if we have to give C3 rotation two times. Next is plane of symmetry, and we know that there are three types of plane of symmetry. First one is sigma V. V represents for vertical, and sigma H. H represents horizontal, and sigma D. D represents dihedral. So in this molecule only sigma V is present. And next one is improper rotation, and there is no improper rotation in this molecule. Last one is invariant center, and if we find invariant center then there is no invariant center found in ammonia, because there should be same molecule in opposite side of every molecule, and there is no such case found in ammonia. The complete set of symmetry elements and operations in ammonia molecule are identity, C3, C3 twice, sigma V1, sigma V2 and sigma V3. So next is multiplication table, which is defined as when a complete set of all possible point symmetry operations for a molecule has been identified, the resulting list will form basis for mathematical group. And the diagram of ammonia is shown below, and it is the complete description of all the symmetry elements and operations present in ammonia molecule, and the labels on hydrogen atom are actually imaginary just. There are some rules which are helpful to build multiplication table of any molecule. First one is product of any two symmetry operation in group will yield another operation which is also a member of the group. For example, if we perform C3 proper rotation two times on ammonia molecule is equivalent to C3 twice rotation. Likewise, two sigma operations returns the molecule to its original configuration and therefore equal to performing identity. And we know that identity is actually doing nothing to the molecule. The product C3 sigma V1 is equals to sigma V3, whereas the product sigma V1 C3 is equals to sigma V2, showing how product of these two operations do not need to commute in ammonia symmetry. And it reveals that each row and each column of table are nothing more about than unique rearrangement of list of symmetry operation, and this theorem is known as rearrangement theorem. Second rule is the performance of two C3 proper rotation on ammonia molecule is equivalent to one C3 twice rotation, means that order of group is defined as total number of all possible symmetry operations like identity commute with every other operation to yield back the operation. Thus first row and the first column of multiplication table will be identical to symmetry operation. Like E commute with C3 result would be C3, and E commute with C3 twice, then result would be C3 twice. Third rule is the associate law of multiplication table must apply to all symmetry operations. It means that the product sigma V3 it would be equals to sigma V3 if we apply C3 rotation and sigma V1. Remember that there is always last symmetry operation in each pairing that actually perform first. So fourth rule is every symmetry operation in group has an inverse operation that is also a member of the group. Word inverse should not confuse with invariant. There is a huge difference between these two. The mathematical inverse of an operation is its reciprocal, such as symbol A inverse represents inverse of operation A. So inverse of proper rotation, which is Cn, and counterclockwise will always be symmetry operation that is equivalent to Cn rotation in opposite direction should be clockwise. So two operations in group can have same inverse, so it means that same there would be no two operations in group which can have same inverse. The list of inverse of symmetry operation in ammonia shown in diagram. C3 inverse means we need to rotate clockwise if we are counterclockwise rotation in our normal symmetry operation. So if we apply counterclockwise direction, then we will get same symmetry operation as given by C3 twice operation. Same is case like sigma v inverse would be equals to sigma v if we apply counterclockwise rotation. So I have discussed rules which are very helpful to build multiplication table of any molecule. So now first thing is that if we write different symmetry operations of molecule, product of that symmetry element as well as that of the operation, we can construct multiplication table. And if we apply C3 rotation in clockwise manner, then we can see in diagram B will take place of C, C will take place of A, and A will take place of B. And if we apply C3 rotation 2 times, then we can see B will take place of C, C will take place of A, and A will take place of B. And thank you so much for listening my presentation.